guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. So this video is actually a really long awaited video and I'm so sorry that I couldn't do it. I just wanted to be in that right frame of mind when I did this video, because this video was a sort of a dream sort. Today I just want to share with you guys my YouTube silver play button, guys. I'm so happy to be doing this video. Oh god, I can't even talk. I'm really so happy to be doing this video because when I started my channel, my dream was to just have 100 subscribers so that I could have my own URL, and it took me 3 days to reach 200 subscribers from 99 subscribers. So 3 दिन में 1 subscriber was increased and I was so happy that yay, finally my channel has its own URL. And then after that my goal went on to having 1000 subscribers, and that's about it. And I thought that day would never come when I would have 1000 subscribers. So today when I have hit 100k, the feeling is kind of very humbling, and I feel to be so blessed. It is not a very huge number, I know, when it comes to talking about having followers and all of that. You guys are not my followers. You guys are not just virtual people. You guys are real people whom I love so much from the deepest bottom of my heart. And so many of you, you guys were not even married when I started this channel, I think 2.5 years back. And today a lot of you have become young mommies, so it feels such a beautiful relationship that we are growing up with each other, and it is such a beautiful feeling. So to all my lovely friends, first of all, a big thank you to all of you for being, for making me, for having me as a part of your family, as a part of your life, for watching my videos. I cannot really tell you guys that how so much I'm so indebted to you guys. Thank you so much. So this one is to all my beautiful friends who not only subscribe to my channel but have supported me in every thick and thin. When I've been down, when I've been upset, when I've shown signs of anxiety, when I have not posted videos, you guys have been there through and through. I know so many of you by name, so many of you write to me, so many of you are even so sweet to send me gifts and all. So thank you so much, my dear lovely friends. This YouTube play button, silver play button, to all of you who are a part of this beautiful family and who gave me this opportunity to be a part of yours, your life, your family. And I'm so happy, I can't tell you. So because even though it came, I think, a month back, this thing came a while back, I did post it on my Instagram as well, and I did post it on my community tab as well, but I could not really, get that feeling where I could sit down and talk about it. And today I'm doing it, and this is like my most valuable possession. So inside of it there's a letter. I'm sure you must have seen a ton of unboxing videos of silver play buttons, but it means so much to me. And it has a letter by YouTube, and I'm not really going to bore you with the contents. I'll just give a clipping over here. Maybe you can pause if you want to read it. So they do give this letter, and this is such a wonderful feeling. Then here is this cushiony bit, and here is the silver play button. And this one I'm going to keep on my bookshelf. If you want to see a bookshelf ka video, let me know, because I've been getting a lot of requests as to what books I read for UPSC and all. So maybe I'm going to cover that in that particular video. Yes, I'll try and do that. So do let me know. I'm going to keep it on my bookshelf with my other awards, because this is my most, prized possession. One reward which I'm really proud of, and I would say that we all have worked really hard for this. So this goes out to all of you. This is one of the most beautiful things in my life, and this reminds me of each one of you. I had it on my shelf jab se ye aaya hai tab se aaya, so I just kept it in the box to show you guys. But every morning when I used to wake up and I felt that pang of anxiety that no, I can't film, no, today I'm not really happy, in the mood of doing a video, or I'm not feeling really motivated. This motivates me, and see, you can see yourself. So this motivates me to get up and get going, to know that you guys are there for me, to not feel lonely at all, because I have so many friends who care about me. Thank you so much. This one is dedicated to each one of you. You don't know how happy I am. This was the goal of my life, I guess. I never made a goal of silver play button. My goal was only to get 100 subscribers for the URL. So this one definitely comes as a bonus. So thank you all so much, really, for making this happen, for bringing this day into my life, and it is the most beautiful thing. It says this is presented to Sana K for passing 100,000 subscribers YouTube. So this is the new silver play button. पहले मुझे लगता था, मतलब मुझे इतना टाइम हो गया है कि पहले पुराना सिल्वर प्ले बटन होता था, but anyway, I'm so happy. Thank you all so much for this lovely thing, and I just wanted to share this with you guys. It is so beautiful. It is my baby like, and I'm going to keep it forever because it reminds me of you guys. Thank you all so much for being there. So I just want to say that if you're a budding YouTuber, you've just started your channel and you feel demotivated कि कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, don't worry, keep going, have the trust in yourself, keep trust in your content, and just keep going, do the work, you know. But again, I think I even mentioned it when I attended the Indian Youth Conclave, that if you're doing any job with YouTube, or if you're studying along with doing YouTube, make sure that you keep that, you know. Don't leave your studies, do not leave your job while you're pursuing this career of YouTubing. This could be a permanent full-time career for a lot of people, but there are even more bigger number. There are many more people who cannot really depend on it. The money is really less when you're not when you're like me, maybe with not so many subscribers, you know. 1 lakh is not a really big number when it comes to, you know, the payment part and stuff. I'm going to be really transparent here. So the thing is that you don't really earn enough. You have to be really good in your business skills and stuff. So till the time you are struggling with YouTubing, make sure that you have your side career planned as well. If you're studying, working, keep that, you know. Just give time to YouTubing as a part-time, maybe 1 hour, 2 hours every single day. Do not neglect your other things which are much more serious, probably which are much more serious actually. So do not neglect your serious things. I'm not saying YouTubing is not serious. It's a very time-consuming job, but then you have to keep your real job till the time you don't figure out for yourself that yes, this is what I'm going to do, and I have a huge following and things are working out, okay? So till the time you're struggling, make sure that you keep your other options open as well. There's no harm in having that career that you have always worked for. YouTubing can be a hobby. It is a hobby for me. I don't think it's going to be a full-time thing for me. I'm not really sure, you know. I believe in never say never, but you know, just a gut feeling, I don't think this is going to be a full-time thing for me. So I have kept my other options open as well, and so that was a little thing that I wanted to tell you guys. I used to get really demotivated, you know. I'm just being honest here. Sometimes, you know, people started way after I had started, but they reached really far. So that sometimes is very demotivating, but what also is motivating, that they are so good at their work and they are really up in their game of uploading, the timing, and I feel luck also makes a huge factor. So luck is a big aspect of YouTubing, I guess, but of course the content and stuff definitely matters. So do not lose your heart, keep going for it, keep doing it. I get so many questions on an everyday basis कि मतलब how do you do this? I mean कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, how can I continue? I just say don't lose heart, just be happy, do your work, but do not leave your actual job. Do not you know, neglect your studies because of YouTubing. Do not do all of that. Just take it as a hobby, which will fetch you money eventually. Of course it's going to give you money, but shuru mein kafi aapko, you know, you have to maintain a lot of patience. So it's a work of a lot of patience, dedication, and a lot of passion as well. So that's what I wanted to say. But to all my other lovely friends who are not into YouTubing and watch me for me or my hauls and stuff, thank you all so much, you know. It means the world to me. So this is a reminder to myself that I have so many lovely people watching me. I have so many lovely people who have given me this opportunity to be a part of their life by being in their life for a couple of minutes, you know, and you don't know, it means so much to me. It means the world to me. So thank you all so much, and probably that would be it. If you have any questions regarding YouTubing or anything in general, do let me know in the comment section below, guys. Maybe I can do Ask Sana, #AskSana, the series that I used to do before. Maybe I can do that. So make sure that you leave your comments. If you have anything else that you have to say to me, feel free to write that in the comment section below. I love to chat with you there. I mean, it's a very beautiful, healthy place to hang out with all of you. So thank you all so much. And if you're not already subscribed, you can come to this channel and watch a lot of haul videos actually. So if you want to see a lot of haul videos, a lot of updates on sales and stuff, you can be subscribed to this channel, be a part of this family. Let's make this family grow bigger, and you can just hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell as well. So if that's turned on, you get to see or you get notified as to when I've uploaded a new video. So that's about it. Do give this video a like because I'm really happy. Thank you all so much for watching me, for bearing with me. So thank you all so much once again for watching. I'll see you in my next video very soon. Till then, take very, very good care of yourself. Keep happy, keep healthy, and keep smiling. Smile, smile, smile. Smile always. I love you all so much. Bye guys. Mwah. Bye and thank you. Bye.